Hi everyone, welcome to this another new trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you the top 3 high win rate super trend trading strategy. The all strategy work very well with all the platform like Forex, stock, crypto, option and others. And it's also work with most of the time frame, and you can use this top 3 super trend strategy immediately after watching this video. So let's get started. So first, let's introduce how the Supertrend works. Supertrend is a trend following indicator like moving average, and you can see the price is now uptrend and the green line is Supertrend uptrend line, and when the price is crossing the green line and it switches to red line, and that means the price is going to trend change and indicate the downtrend is begin. Supertrend based an ATR indicator, and the Supertrend basically built with two parameters. One is ATR period and two is ATR multiplier. The default ATR period value is 10 and the default ATR multiplier value is 3. You can also change the value and backtest. It has a chance to improvement. But my opinion is the default setting is enough for trading. And we have a misconception that when I see the Supertrend green line and the buy signal, we just take long position, and when we see Supertrend sell signal and we take short position. The Supertrend give us buy and sell signal all the time, even ranging market. This is the big problem with Supertrend, because the ranging market Supertrend give us false signal, and if you trade on, it has a chance to big loss. The market is still ranging in 70% of time, and only 30% of time market is trending. If you trade on ranging market by Supertrend signal, it's very difficult to stay profitable. So how you can filter the pure signal from the Supertrend? Now I will share with you the top Supertrend trading strategy that help you to filter pure signal from Supertrend. So first strategy is two Supertrend indicator with different value. In this chart, I select the coin Bitcoin USDT and the time frame is 1 hour. So now I have to set Supertrend indicator on my chart. So I just simply go indicator, and from here I simply write here Supertrend. On right here Supertrend, you can see one indicator I find Supertrend by Keyvance all basics, and you can see it's used by 30,000 of active traders, and also I give all the indicator list on my description below. So I simply click here to add the Supertrend on my chart for one time. You can see one time applied on my chart, and also I click here another time for apply the Supertrend for 2 times. Okay, so I simply close this indicator library, and now the first Supertrend ATR and multiplier value will be default, and now I want to change the second Supertrend ATR and multiply value for catch long-term trend. So I simply go the setting, and the second Supertrend ATR period value will be 30, and the Supertrend second indicator ATR multiplier value will be 15. Okay, so now I have to change the style for understand clearly. So I simply go style, and now I want to change the color on uptrend. So I simply change the uptrend color to blue, also change the downtrend color red to white. So now let's see how you can generate pure signal with the Supertrend. So let's see how the strategy is work. In this chart you can see two different Supertrend signal. One is long-term trend and two is short-term trend. So when the long-term trend is stay bullish, in this time we just take long position from the short-term trend, and when the long-term trend is stay bearish, in this time we just take sell position from the short-term signal. So let's go with live example. In this chart, the long-term price is now bearish, and you can see the price is trying to cross over the long-term trend, and when the crossover happened, you can see the long-term price switched to bullish. That means we just take long position here, and we just take long position here, and our stop loss will be last swing low, and the profit target ratio will be 1. And if I see the price is successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. So let's go with another example. In this chart you can see the long term price is bullish, but we get sell signal from short term, so we avoid this signal. After few, you can see in here get another buy signal from short term Supertrend indicator, and also the market is now bullish, so we enter the trade in here and our stop loss will be last swing low and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is going up and successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. And after few you can see another sell signal, so we also avoid the sell signal as well because the long-term market is now bullish. So let's see how you can generate sell signal. In this chart you can see the long-term market is bullish and the price trying to crossing down the bullish long-term trend line. So after few, the price is successfully crossing the long-term bullish and the market is switched to long-term bearish. So now we take short position from all the short-term trend. In this chart, the long-term price is switched to bearish and also the short-term trend is provide a sell signal. That means we just take short position here and our stop loss will be the last swing high and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is going down and after few successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. And after few you can see a buy signal, so we avoid all the buy signal because the market is bearish and we just take all the sell signal. So after few you can see another sell signal and also the market is bearish, so we just take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So if you have a risk management knowledge, you can also increase your profit target. So now let's introduce with the second strategy with Supertrend and 200 EMA. So I simply change the time frame 1 hour to 3 minutes, and now I want to add 200 EMA and Supertrend indicator. So I simply go indicator library and simply write here again Supertrend and apply on my chart, and again I write here EMA, and you can see one indicator moving average expansional, it means EMA. So I simply click here and now I have to change the EMA length to 200. So I go the setting and from input and you can see the default length is 9. So I simply change the EMA length to 200 and also change the style to white and make it more bolder. So the strategy is if the price crossing up 200 EMA and stay above of the 200 EMA, we just take buy signal from Supertrend and we avoid all the sell signal during this period. And if the price crossing down 200 EMA and stay below all the 200 EMA, we just take sell signal from Supertrend and we avoid all the buy signal during this period. So let's go with example. In this chart you can see the price is now above the 200 EMA, so we reject all the sell signal, and also you can see the price is switched to green, that means it's buy signal. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be last signal level and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And after few we can see the price is trying to going up and successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. And also if you have a risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So let's go with another example. In this chart price is now above 200 EMA and also we get buy signal from the Supertrend indicator, so we just take long position here and our stop loss will be on the buy level and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up and successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So let's go with short position. In this chart, the price is below 200 EMA and we get the sell signal from Supertrend. And now we just take short position here and our stop loss will be on our sell signal level and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is trying hardly to go down, and after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. And after a few we can see the price is switched to buy signal, but we avoid the buy signal because the price is below 200 EMA. And after a few you can see the price is again switched to sell signal. So again we just take short position here and our stop loss will be on the last Supertrend sell level and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And if I see, the price is going down and successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's introduce the third Supertrend strategy, Supertrend indicator and strategy. So first I just simply change the Bitcoin USDT time frame 3 to 5. Okay, so now I have to add the Supertrend indicator on my chart. So I simply go indicator library and simply write here again Supertrend and simply apply on my chart. And I need the second indicator and strategy, so I simply write here and strategy, and you can see and strategy version 2 by Cyril. So I simply click to add the strategy on my chart. So now I have to change the ANN strategy setting and now I have to change the ANN strategy time frame. So for 5-minute time frame on chart, I recommend to set the time frame for 4 hours. And also you can adjust the time frame from here. And if you use 1 hour time frame on the chart, you can use 6 hour time frame on the ANN strategy. And ANN strategy, you can see two color, one is green and one is red. So green means market is bullish and red means the market is bearish. And when the market is stay bullish, in this time we just take buy signal from Super, and also we reject all the sell signal from Supertrend. And also when the price is stay bearish, in this time we just take all the sell signal from Supertrend and we reject all the buy signal from this Supertrend. So let's go with the example. In this chart ANN strategy, you can see the market is now bullish. That means we just take buy signal from Supertrend. And also you can see Supertrend give us a buy signal. So we just take long position here and our stop loss will be on last on level of Supertrend and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And if I see, the price is successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So let's go with another example. In this chart ANN strategy market is bullish. That means we just take buy position from the Supertrend. So also you can see the Supertrend give us a buy signals. We just take long position here and our stop loss will be on last level of Supertrend buy signal and our profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is going up and successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So let's go with short position. In this chart the ANN strategy is now bearish. That means we just take sell position from the Supertrend signal. So also you can see the Supertrend signal give us a sell signal. So we just take short position here and the stop loss will be on Supertrend level and the profit target will be one time from the stop loss. And as I see, the price is trying to go down and after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. So hope you guys understand how to generate pure signal from Supertrend top 3 strategy. If you really love this top 3 Supertrend trading strategy system, you can give a like on this video. Your like will motivate me to discover new profitable trading systems. And if you have any question, you can comment below. Also, if you want to get more useful tutorial like this, you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.